Let's say we want to calculate the data that we have in a table in Microsoft Word. We will add up the Q1 to Q4 data into total format. So to calculate it, you just need to go to Layout at the top here and then click the Formula option. After that, the formula will automatically detect that will sum the left side of the existing cell. Okay, so this is automatically detected. You can also change it later. And at the number format, you can also select the format that you want and then just click OK. Then you'll get the number of the total from the left side of the cell from Q1 to Q4. The total is 292. You can also apply this formula automatically by using the if4 button. Okay, so click the cell that you want. After that, press if4. Okay, click another cell again, press F4, which means that this cell will use the sum left formula again. Okay, and then let's change another formula. We will use the total, the whole column here from Q1 below the Q1. Okay, click the cell and then click formula, and it is automatically detect again that we will use the sum above and use the number format that you want, and then click OK. And if you want to reapply again the formula, click the cell that you want and then press F4. You can do this to the whole cell. Okay, that's the simple one. And if you want to modify the formula that you need to apply, you can also use the modification that Microsoft Word provides. So let's say you want to calculate the average of the Q1 to Q4 using the cell reference. So click the cell here and then click the layout, then the formula. After that, let's delete the formula here and then left the equal sign, and then at the paste function here you can select the function that Microsoft Word provides. So because we want to calculate the average, let's use the average, and then in the bracket to use the cell reference in the table, you can just imagine like you use table in Microsoft Excel. So the first column is the A, the next is B, C, D, and so on. And the first row is the row 1, row 2, row 3, 4, and so on. So which means we will average the column A, B, C, the C, and then the 2 row. Okay, so from C to, just type it in the bracket, colon, to A, B, C, D, E, F, F2. Okay, so C2 to F2, just like this. After that, click OK. Now you have the average from Q1 to Q4 data for dirty table is 73. You can also reapply it by using manual typing like this. You can use F4 again because it's different. Let's use average from C3 to F3. Just like this, so that press OK. In addition, you can also use left, right, below, and above. These 4 type of words you can use to summarize by total, average, and so on of the function. Okay. Next, how about the data is updated? Like, let me change this value to 1000. You see that this cell is not automatically linked to the function, so you need to update it manually. To update it manually, you can select the cell like this and then press F9, or you can select the cell like this, right click, and then click update field. Okay, that's how you update it. Or you can also select the whole cell that is affected by the data like this, and then press F9. So you'll see that the function is automatically updated by the data. And if you are having a new row or column, let me show you. Insert rows above. Let's say we want to have this value as 100. You see that the total here is not updated. And if you want to update it, just select it and then press F9. You see, because we don't use the cell reference, the functions automatically recognize the new row that we added. It's different if we use the cell reference like this. The cell reference remains the same if you update the data. If you want to look at which cells that contain the formula, you can select the one cell in the table and then press Alt F9. and you can see this cell contains the formula like sum left or average and cell reference and so on. And to make it back to the real value, press Alt F9 again. And if you want to make the formula manually, you can press the Control F9 like this and then type such as equal and then sum, open the bracket left. So we will sum the left side of this cell. Okay, and then press F9. You see that you have successfully activating the cell into a function. Okay, that's it. See you in the next video.